Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny Foodybite apps. Inside today we need to developing this here the all photos UI we need to develop here. First of all we need to see this here the UI inside the XD files. Now we need to opening this here photos and menu UI need to developing this here. First of all we need to show like this here the UI need to develop same as it is need to develop here today. How to create this here? First of all need this here the one plugins need to install here for the staggered grid view need to needs here flutter staggered grid view need to need these versions need to installing inside our space. First of all need to installing here, and first of all need to see this here the designs patterns need to use this like similar to UI need to these patterns need to needs here. That's why need to checking here the another patterns available or not. So here the quite patterns here available need to this UI to need to developing like this here the UI to need to modify this UI need to here use here the for grid 1 2 3 4 like these grids, and we need to use this here the this codes we need to use to and modify and to convert into the three grids. Now need to install for these plugins how to install in our projects. Now need to go inside the installs and we need to copy this dependency into here like here, and we need to go inside our projects and we need to paste these codes inside the swap space and to installing this grid staggered grid. Now we need to save here, and first of all making here the UI for now need to go inside the home screens and to developing this here the menu and photos screens we need to develop first of all. Inside we need to use this here the one static image we need to put and to same layout we need to grids we need to drawing for the design purpose. Now we need to create here the new files and we need to give this here the name menu photo screen dot dots like this creates. Now need to create here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name as a menu photo screens. And now import this here the material dependency, create here the scaffold, and we need to write down here the app bars we need to write here. Yesterday we need to create here the app bars we need to again develop here. Now need to find out any one screen so need to go inside here the any rating screens we need to find out here the rating related screens here ratings and review screens. We need to copy this here the app bars we need to need here the similar to app bars we need to paste here for the designs. Now need to go again here and to find out here the menu and rating screens here, and we need to paste this here. So now import this here the color extensions and we need to save here. Now we need to go again and to say this here the designs and to change this here the titles. We need to remove here the actions no needs. Now need to clean for this UI, and we need to change this here the name menu and photos like yours, and this is the back button so already put it here. And now we need to save this here, and we need to write down here the menus photos we need to configure here. Now need to find out here the restaurant detail screens, and we need to find out here the image we need to find here first of all menu and photo, and set here the click events context dot post extension methods and to call this here the context dot menu photo screen like here, and we need to save this here save these files and to click here the opens and look like this here the show menu photo. We need to set here, and we need to write down here the body we need to creating here. So we need to create here the body, and we need to go inside here the this demo projects, and we need to similar to find out here the needed screens UI need to find here. We need to look like this UI we need to developing here, but we need to modify this UI again. So we need to copy here this one, and we need to paste this here for this here this grid we need to import this here this, and need to set here the remove here the styles and index. We need to set here the data, create here the image assets, and we need to give this any one image, copy this relative path, and we need to paste this here, set here the fit is equal to give this here the box fit covers, we need to set here like here. And we need to modify this UI. First of all, we need to set here the change this here the cross grid, we need to set here the 3 grid we need to needs. Then after we need to give this here the space between here 15, we need to set here the 12 is good like here. And also need to corner radius we need to set for the image, we need to use this here the wrap widgets clip or rect we need to set here. And we need to set here the border radius, circulars we need to set configurations as a 10 like here. We need to configures, and we need to first of all the setting for the UI. First of all, we need to see this here the designs and explain into here. This is the first row, we need to give this here the 111, so need to set. Then we need to again we need to set here. First of all, we need to how to set this here to give this here the 3 like here 111 like set here for the this first row like here. Then after second row, how to create? First of all, we need to give this here the 111s, and then after we need to create here the 222 create, and then again we need to create here the 111s like here's need to create here the 111. Again we need to copy and to convert into the 222 grids we need to develop here. Then again we need to give this here the 1 ones, and then after last one grids we need to develop this here the 3, because we need to all grids we need to needs, that's why I need to create here the 3. And we need to change this here the same need to also set here, and we need to set here the const value. And the most important parts we need to give this here the padding const edges insert symmetric. Horizontals need to give this here the 15s, and verticals also need to give this here the 15s. Like need to set here the padding, save here, maybe look like this show similar to UI, need to making easily. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.